Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mark with M2M Detail, and today we have another unboxing video for you, and it's going to be on the Analan pet hair brush. If you guys want to see it in full comparison with some other dog hair brushes, check out the previous video released on it. Today we're just going to be doing unboxing, showing you how it works. Got some carpet and some hair laid out for you over there. But yeah, let's get right into it, guys. So overall experience, great packaging, very good quality. You have this that slides off, give you some information on the back. You go ahead and open it right here. There's your dog hair brush. Gives you a little information, what size what, long hair, short hair, medium hair. So we're gonna take this out. This pops out, guys. Put that on the side. You have a little template right here. So in here, you're gonna have your user manual. It's gonna tell you how to use the brush, how to change the blades on it, and everything's all pictured. So very simple, very easy to read. So that's awesome. And then also you got in here, guys, comes with a little thank you. You get a little 2 keychains. I think the other one just fell in here. Yep, there it is. So you get keychains in here, which you can hook onto a keychain if you want to hang it. So that's pretty cool, guys. Let me throw this to the side real quick. Okay, so overall design of the brush, I really do like. It feels very natural when you're using it. Very comfortable, very sturdy, has no flex to it. So you guys are gonna see the different blades right here. You got long hair, medium hair, and short hair. So to use it properly, you would use all 3 sides. Start with long, medium to short, just to get the carpet clean fast. I will do a demonstration on the carpet just using the long side or maybe just the medium side, let you see how that works. But technically you should be using all 3 sides to clean the carpet. And one of the coolest features about this brush, guys, when it's all dull and you wore it all out, you don't have to buy a new one. You could buy a little kit for $8. And let me open this up for you guys, let you see it. Also on the back of the kit, guys, it's gonna let you know where your brush is. So if you think it needs to be replacement, it also shows you pictures if you should replace it or where you're at on the life of the rubber. So it just comes like that. You would take this apart, put the new one on. So that's pretty cool, guys. Really do like that concept, saves you money and time. You can just buy this, buy one of these right away. Right when that wears out, you can swap it out, get a brand new blade on it. But all right, guys, I'm gonna take you over to the carpet right now. We're gonna try out 2 different ways. I'll have it taped off and we'll see what happens. All right, guys, so this one right here will be all 3 sides. This one's just gonna be on one side. So let's get into it. So. So you saw how it worked. It came out really good. Both sides work great. So if you want to do one side or all 3 sides, either way is going to do a good job. On the 3 side, you will not have that static discharge as if you only did one side. All 3 sides do work better. So check that out if you guys do buy it. Links are in the description for Amazon and the website. And I appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Mark out.